Hi everyone, today I am going to show you 7 underrated Samsung features that most people do not even know about. These features will make your phone smarter, faster and easier to use, and the best part, you can use them all of feature on Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Let's dive in. Feature 1, Edge panels. First half is Edge panels and its quick access tool hidden on the side of your screen. You can open apps, contacts or tools just by swiping from the edge. To get the edge panels on your Galaxy phone, we have to go to phone settings and find out display, tap on display, and here we can see edge panels. I will tap on edge panels. Edge panel is enabled. Now we can see the edge panel. Swipe the edge, you can see the edge panels. You can see, you can customize here from the edge. Feature 2, screen mode. Next is screen mode. By default it set it to standard, but switching to vivid makes videos and phones more colorful and sharp. To get this feature, again we have to go to phone settings, then tap on display and scroll down, find out screen mode. I will tap on screen mode and here we can see natural, and we have to select vivid, and here we can customize the white balance, and we can see the advanced settings, and you can customize where by tapping on advanced features, and works especially well while watching movies or scrolling photos, and is a great features. And we will go the next features number 3, separate apps. Feature number 3, separate app sounds. Did you know you can play music from one app on Bluetooth and another app through your phone speaker? It's called separate app sounds, and it's great for multitasking. To enable these features, we have to go to phone settings and scroll down, tap on sound and vibrations, and scroll down. We can see separate app sound. I will tap on it, and here you can see turn on now. I will tap on the toggle and tap on select and tap on plus icon. By this icon you can add different app from the list here. Select this app to selected phone Bluetooth. In this way you can get this separate sound by these options. Number 4, secure folder. This lets you hide private apps, photos or files behind Samsung Knox security. Perfect for sensitive information or apps you don't want to others to see. To enable this feature, we have to go to our quick panels, and here you can see secure folder. Tap and hold on it. Number 5, dual messenger. This allows you to run two accounts of the same apps like WhatsApp Messenger one phone. To get these dual features, go to settings and scroll down, find out advanced features. I will tap on advanced features and scroll down, tap on dual messenger, and here I will tap on WhatsApp, tap on install. You can see dual messenger WhatsApp is enabled. If we find or see, here is one WhatsApp messenger, and you can see second one WhatsApp messenger. In this way we can use two messenger by dual features. Number 6, screen recorder with mic. You can record your screen with mic with audio, no third-party app needed. This is great for tutorials, demos or gameplay. You can even record voiceover while recording the screen. You can use this feature by swiping the quick panel, and you can see screen recorder. Tap and hold on it, and you can see the functions of a screen recorder, and you can customize here by these options. Number 7, smart pop-up view. Finally we have a smart pop-up view. This lets you open apps in 20 windows. You can multitasking easily. To get these features, again we have to go to our phone settings and find out advanced features. I will tap on advanced features and tap on labs, and here we can see multi windows for all apps. I will tap on it, and now you can use multi-window in this ways. You can see I will tap on the icon, and you can see opening pop-up view, and you can customize it by dragging it, and in this way you can use pop-up view window by these settings. So these were 7 underrated Samsung features you probably do not know about. Which ones is your favorite? Comment below, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.